Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I uploaded a video. I'm so sorry for not being on schedule, but I'm back with a celeb inspired makeup look. This is Kareena Kapoor inspired makeup look from, I think it was the Mowgli launch event or something like that. So she had like this wet hair look with the intense kohl rimmed smoky eye. I found a couple of pictures for reference, and this is the look that I have come up with. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's just get this video started. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and let's start with a primer. So I'm taking this NYX primer and basically applying it on my cheek area and wherever I have texture issues. And before moving in with the foundation, I'm going to use a color corrector. You can use any color corrector of your choice if you have dark circles, that is. Then I'm going in with this Loreal foundation. I'm just going to stipple it all over my face. This is a small brush. I just used this so that I could apply the foundation under my eyes also. So I just basically ended up using this brush for my foundation. So once that is done, I'm going to take this LA Girl Pro HD concealer in the shade, I think this is creamy beige. I'm just going to use that as a concealer and also as a highlighter, going all across like the inner corner of the eye so that I don't miss that. On my forehead, around my mouth, wherever I highlight actually. So on the bridge of the nose, chin. And then I'm taking this NYX Topaz tan, and I'm just going to heavily contour my face because unfortunately for me my face is not as chiseled as Kareena Kapoor's is. I'm just going to heavily contour my face, and for that I'm using this NYX Topaz tan because it blends into nothingness pretty nicely. Had I used like LA Girl Pro Concealer, it would like be a little bit difficult to blend. So I like to use Topaz tan when I'm doing like heavy contouring. So next I'm just going to take a sponge, and firstly I'm just going to blend all the highlighter, and then I'm going to move in and blend all the contour. And as you can see, I'm using the same brush I use for foundation, so that will also help lighten up the contour because it already has some foundation on it. So the idea is to do a heavy contour but make it look seamless. So that is what I'm doing, and I really do enjoy Topaz from NYX a lot for cream contour. I'm taking this Fit Me powder, but I did realize that it had a lot of RCMA powder also. So just take any loose powder basically to just set your face. I'm using a mix of RCMA powder and Maybelline Fit Me, and just sharpening up the contour a little bit more around under my cheek area. And I have to set my under eye area. So I have dry skin, so I'm not doing like too much powdering. And as soon as I'm done with it, I'm just going to take like a fluffy brush and just take away that bake. Because if I do keep it for too long, then my face looks like really dry. If you have oily skin though, like do keep the bake on for a little longer. Now I'm taking my NYX Conceal and this is not conceal, this is the Highlight and Contour Pro palette, and I'm just going to run over the darkest shade actually over all the contoured areas, just to it will set the contour also. And I'm taking this brush and going to contour my nose also, because in the picture I did see like Kareena had a pretty nice highlight and contour going on, but it wasn't, the highlight wasn't like shimmery. So I'm taking this Galactic highlighter that I have. So this highlighter basically gives like a lit from within kind of a glow. That is why I'm using this one, because the highlighter was not like a very shimmery one, the one Kareena was using. And I'm also going to I've basically taken a big fluffy brush. So I'm just going to highlight a little bit of my forehead. And from this NYX eyeshadow palette, I'm just going to use the Peachy blush. And I'm going to now move ahead, and I'm using the NYX Micro HD micro pencil I think, yeah, to just kind of fill in my eyebrows. And she had a nice arch, so I just tried to do that, like shape my brows like that. And then I ran over an NYX gel also over it, taking I just my eye. Is this matte brown eyeshadow, I'm just going to go ahead and apply this in the crease area actually. I'm just going to blend it really nicely. I'm using the Beige blending brush. Just making sure everything is nice and blended. I'm just going to take the same shade on a smaller brush. This is a Makeup Geek brush. So I'm just taking that on the lower lash line. And then I'm just taking a shimmery shade on a flat shader brush. This brush is from Zoeva. And I'm just going to apply that on the inner corner of my eyes and also on the lid area. And that's about it. There was no apparent highlight on the under the eyebrows. Just applying like a very thick eyeliner. That is what is the main attraction of this look, the thick heavy kohl rimmed eyes. I'm taking a gel eyeliner because that is what I'm most comfortable with, but you can take like a pencil liner and basically draw in like thick liner on top and bottom lash line, and I'm just going to smooth it out with a dark brown eyeshadow, smudge it out. And for the lips, I'm taking like, it was very nude, like very barely there lips. So I'm taking this Faces Cashmere Ultime Lip Pro lipstick, and after that I'm just going to take a little bit of a foundation to further lighten up my lips, and the lips weren't very defined also. So after applying some mascara and eyelashes, this is the final look. I hope you all liked it. I love Kareena Kapoor and it was a fun recreation for me. I'm not trying to look like her by any means, but this is just like a fun video. I did like the cold eyes. So I hope you all enjoy the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.